Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Page count varies from as few as 8 pages and up. The traditional binding process for zine printing is saddle stitching, which can accommodate a publication of up to 92 pages. Anything larger will need to be perfect bound. 11 February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Free online zine maker. Pick a size. Start by selecting a page size for your project and we'll show you templates. Design. Use your imagination to design a unique e-zine online with our tool. Publish. Click a button and we will publish your e-zines online so others can view them. Share.
Let's help you make your mark.
What are zines good for? Publish sketches, drawings, and mini comics. Match recipes with whimsical illustrations. Mix words with images and textures. Print lines of poetry. Share a manifesto. The list goes on. The 19th of November 2018.
Take our lead.
These instructions work for the most common type zine, half-size, staple-bound booklet. Save your online zine as a PDF. Open PDF file. Click File and Print. Select Print on both sides of paper. Flip on short edge. Select Landscape Orientation. Print, fold in half and staple on the spine. The 21st of October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
People who create zines, zinesters, are likely to be more motivated by self-expression and artistic passion than they are by profit. Zines are usually inexpensive and sometimes distributed for free or in trade for other zines, goods, and services. The history of zines is vast and fascinating. Read more about it here.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.